Shifu, welcome back. What would you like to talk to us about today?
Yeah, good morning, everybody. Today I'd like to introduce breast cancer. Since this is a very hot item, most people are concerned about, especially women. The breast cancer is a big problem today. Breast cancer, it most happen on women. Men sometimes have breast cancer, but cases are much less. Breast cancer happen on women all ages. A young woman around 20 years old, middle-aged woman 30, 40, or older woman 50 or above, they all have breast cancer problem. Since the older woman, the chances get breast cancer even higher. Breast cancer today, the medical field usually treat still the same thing, chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery. Since now the chances to survive the rate is pretty low. Breast cancer patients age around 20 years old, young woman, they can live over 10 years, probably only have 70% chance. For middle-aged women, 50%, they can live over 10 years. Older women than more than 50, they have only 25% chance can live longer than 10 years. So generally speaking, all the traditional this Western medical treatment, I wouldn't think it's a very good result. I'd rather say it's bad result, bad record.
Shifu, is there any way you advise to check or test for breast cancer? Self-testing?
Self-testing breast cancer, I think I would say every day, women try face a mirror to touch their breast themselves. You find there's some kind of hot lump inside, then be careful. Or feel the breast very sore, or feel pain. That's also the sign. Should be careful.
Thank you. Shifu, what do you think about the X-ray? Are those important or valuable as a method to prevention or detect?
X-ray checking is for one person. She already feel some lump in the breast, or feel the pain, or feel the sore, then go for X-ray exam. I think that's a good idea.
In a more advanced stages, how does it appear, the breast cancer?
Oh yeah, this is a good question. Breast cancer have several different stages. The first stage, the skin has color change. Some like a red color or purple color. Some still same color, like the breast, but the lipo sunken. One side maybe still pop up, another is sunken. And the serious stage, I say second stage, have breakout. Some breakout on the lipo itself, some on the breast itself, some at the bottom of the breast.
Shifu, how does it look a breakout?
Oh yeah, the breast cancer, they break out. All has a different types. Some break out like a pomegranate fruit. They come out very shining red muscle burst out. Some break out have a pus on the palm. Usually they all break out. Some have a smell, some no smell. Some have a fever, you touch it, some no fever. All this is represent the background, how this breast cancer develop. Breast cancer is cause, have its background. Woman, they feel angry, bad emotion, that will excite the liver qi. That's gradually it become yang type. Yang type means hot type. So with the breast will show like a red or purple. Or woman, they work very hard, either work at home or work office very hard. Their qi and the blood become very deficient, very deficient. Then this is what we call the yin type. Then breast will become small. Okay, I just talk about the yin type breast cancer. The breast becomes smaller, and the lipo will be sunken. And this is qi and blood insufficient. So I just talk about the liver qi overexcited because emotion, and also qi and blood insufficient. Besides that, there's another type, it's cold type. The person have a tremendous cold holding the body, then produces a phlegm. The phlegm through the lymphatic system that enter to the breast also causes breast cancer. This is usually doesn't feel much pain, but have swollen, have cold in the breast for a long year, didn't go away. One more factors for breast cancer is infection. Infection cancer usually a woman deliver baby. The baby will have milk from the mother's breast. Some baby, they cannot finish the milk, then they sleep, and the baby's mouth still holds the breast. Then the breast, the lipo might have chance to get an infection. Or baby bite too hard the lipo, may injure the lipo, also can get infection. Some women, after have baby, they don't milk the baby. Their breast milk have no place to go, so hold it in the breast. Then breast become cold. Some women, they have baby, but doesn't feed their baby with her milk. So the milk stay in the breast and gradually turn cold, and from cold engender heat. That causes breast cancer. Because the breast milk originally is her body's blood. So, but milk since become milk cannot turn back to become milk anymore. So advice is even baby don't drink it. Try to squeeze out milk. That is can stay healthy.
So Shifu, then it is healthy for the baby and for the mother, for both to breastfeed.
Yes, of course. I would advise a mother milk her baby with her own milk. That is the best.
Excellent. Thank you, Shifu. So, is there one type of treatment for breast cancer, or there are several treatments depending on the type of cancer at the breast?
Oh, of course. There are several different types treat different kind of breast cancer, not all same. In the initial stage, breast cancer, it has a core and find a hard lump in the breast. This is early stage. We can think about the method of dissipating method. Let it gradually become smaller or go down. Doesn't need it come out from the body. This is for early stage cancer. That one I would recommend a formula. For very early stage cancer, we don't need let the cancer break out from the body. Let it dissipate. I would recommend the formula. This is a formula. It's called 秘川虚六味六曲韵. Okay.
So if somebody wants to get the formula, they could write you, or where they could go to any Chinese herbalist. Could they make that formula for them?
It's a good question. I would recommend people want to have use my system to treat. Consult the book. This is called Herbal Surgeon Immortal Cancer Care. The book is talking very clear. What is stage, what kind of formula should we use, all discussed. Okay, if the breast cancer almost enter into the middle stage, a woman feel pain, feel sore on their breast. So this time we will think about like the cancer come out from the body. So make a plaster. This is plaster there called 冲和仙膏. Blend it with honey. Then cover the breast, the cancer part. Around this plaster 冲和仙膏, encircle another breast. Just make a circle. It's called 红包蛋. The reason is 冲和仙膏 is warm energy plaster. Make the cancer mature, become pus. A 红包蛋 is cold energy herbs. Cancer come out, but don't want them escape. So use 红包蛋 and circle it. If the cancer is cold type cancer, put a 冲和仙膏 still cannot let it become mature. Then need to use a stronger one. That's called 淮阳玉龙膏. That make a breast feel very warm. Outside still same thing and circled with 红包蛋. If the breast successfully mature, break a hole, and have pulses run out, that's very good sign. Then we let it run out more than 24 or 48 days without any treatment. Then after that, we see pulses run out. We put a lot of formula. It's called 解毒生肌定痛砂. This is a powder. Put on the breaking hole of the breast. Let the toxin be neutralized and dissolved. Since the blood and the pus can break out from the hole of the breast, as a general speaking, we already made a success on the treatment, but still it's not finished. We need the patient still have an energy fight with some cancer to be. Though they are not cancer yet, but they still possible become cancer. So I would suggest another internal formula. It's called 复原同取上. Even after treatment, still take these herbs 3 months.
Thank you, Shifu. That's incredible, and I do advise people to read this book and order it online. You have the website on the video. Now I have a question. What do you advise people, women, as a method of prevention?
Sure. But since I just talked about the the reason how get breast cancer. So we just reverse the chances. Don't make we commit this kind of trouble. For example, keep a mood always happy. Don't be angry. Don't worry. Don't be sad. This is an emotional change. And also, don't be too tired. Don't do too much laborious work. So your chi and blood will not be exhausted. And don't try to put yourself in very cold environment. For example, very cold weather, or swim, or wash hair not dry yet, or people they drink too much beer. That's all the cold possibility. I just said cold syndrome also can catch breast cancer. So we try to avoid to be cold. Another factor is the infection. Since the baby already stop, keep on use milk, maybe sleep, still hold the mother's tip or breast. Suppose take back the breast, put back the baby sleep. And after baby, they use the breast milk, use alcohol wipe out the breast, keep it clean. And women, they don't want milk, they baby with her milk, then try to squeeze out. You can don't let some mother, they don't have milk, something else. That's still better than keep it in the body. So there's a 4 way to prevent get breast cancer. I suggest the first is emotion. We try to keep a good mood, be positive always. And second thing is cold. We try to stay warm. Don't be cold in the body. Number 3 is laborious. Exhaust your chi and blood. So don't work too hard, maybe, my suggestion. Number 4 is infection. So be careful, keep the breast clean. And try to don't let the breast milk baby don't use. That's my advice.
Shifo, does any assumption of alcohol increase the risk of cancer, breast cancer?
I would say alcohol have more chances to get liver cancer instead of breast cancer. But still, use too much alcohol have no any benefit for a person.
Thank you very much, Shifo, for all this wonderful information. Now, if you want to know a little bit more and more in detail, you're welcome to order this book. You can either write to Shifo on the website or you can order the book on Amazon. Please follow the direction on the video. Thank you very much and we see you on our next video.
Thank you, audience. Thank you. And I hope you get more knowledge from this book. You get more benefit. Thank you.
Thank you.